Welcome to CyberBoardCast, episode 82, a united front, integrating cyber insurance with cybersecurity strategy. As we continue to build our defenses in the digital age, it's essential to understand how cyber insurance fits into the broader cybersecurity framework. Today's central question addresses a key strategic consideration. How does cyber insurance integrate with our overall cybersecurity posture and strategy? Your key takeaway is this. Cyber insurance is not a standalone solution, nor is it an end-all be-all solution. You probably already know that. But nor is it even the first-order solution in cyber defense. It is a critical component that should work in concert with proactive defense mechanisms, risk management, and incident response plans. If you were to put it on a bumper sticker, you'd say, first order, breach prevention. Last order, cyber insurance. Why? Because if you don't prevent a breach, you're not only incurring the financial, operational, emotional, and reputational costs of a breach, you'll be dealing with those costs for years to come, which is where cyber insurance falls severely short. Because even the best cyber insurance will not shield you from the certain financial costs of a breach, like loss of customer revenue, and it won't shield you from the operational shutdown, emotional and reputational costs you'll be dealing with for years to come. Your call to action is therefore to take a holistic view, conduct a thorough review of your cybersecurity posture, ensuring it not only aligns with, but also enhances and, frankly, well surpasses by a long shot your cyber insurance strategy. That said, make sure your cyber insurance strategy is spotless. Assess how your cyber insurance coverage supports your ability to respond to and recover from cyber incidents. Make sure your insurance provisions encourage and reward robust cybersecurity practices. And for best practices in cyber insurance, review episode 73 through tomorrow's episode on the CyberBoardCast, where we summarize the critical insights on cyber insurance. In the meantime, I'm Andrei Setnarski, your Cyber Nation Central guide through board and executive cyber readiness and governance, today helping you bridge the gap between cyber insurance and security, and urging you to create a comprehensive strategy that stands up to the complexities of today's threat landscape. For a detailed review and strategy session, remember that our team at CyberNationCentral.com is here to support you. Until tomorrow, stay proactive and remember, an integrated board and C-suite-wide approach is your best defense in the ever-evolving battle for cyber resilience. Stay secure, stay strategic, and let's reinforce our cyber defenses together.